Hello friends, welcome to A1466 YouTube channel. This one is MacBook Air. Its model number is A1466. Okay, this is the model of this laptop. Okay, and if you check with the part number of this board, okay, let's remove its SSD. Okay. See, MacBook part number always start from 820, means 820. See, this is the part number 820-3437-B. Okay, this is the part number. Okay, any MacBook, okay, its part number always start from 820. Okay, this is the way of finding the embedded part number. See, these are also the number, but these are not the embedded part number. Okay. Okay, this is the correct part number of this embedded. Okay, now the problem in this laptop, okay, see, I have removed this battery already. Okay, and a simple concept in the MacBook that if you will remove the battery and connect power, if embedded is okay, then it will directly get on, okay, without any power button. Okay, because see, RTC of MacBook is on the laptop battery, like Asus new series, same concept na? In Asus also, yes, they are using the battery in the CMOS in the main battery. HP also they are using, yes. Dell also some models they are using. Okay, new concept they are using the same concept. Okay, so first we will connect the adapter and check this adapter is synced or not. See, when we connect the adapter, it's green light, then orange light. Okay, means this one is synced, but no movement. No movement. Still is completely off. No fan is spinning, nothing. If I press the power button, okay, and you will see on the fan, no changes. Okay, no changes, it's not moving. Okay, means this board is right now completely dead. Okay, so simple concept that we have learned with the other boards. Okay, simple concept we will follow also on this board. Okay, so first what we will do? First, what we will check in this board? Impedance mode for sorting. Simple concept. Okay, simple concept. ठीक है. तो पहले से ऊपर से ऐसे ही चेक कर लेते हैं. First we will take just a confirmation overlook. Okay, after that we will remove and check the problems. Okay. Oh, so sort. Sort. Okay, first coil we are getting sort. Okay, 59, 194, CPU is alive. Okay, okay, only this coil having shorting. This is the B plus line. Okay, this board works in a 8 volt, and if we gonna connect the adapter, it's on a 14 point some volts, it's coming here and convert it to the 8 volts, and this 8 volts is coming here on this coil. We have learned Dell 35537 motherboard, 19 volt is coming to the first MOSFET for the switching and battery IC, then embedded will works on a 13 volt. Same concept is here. It's using 14 volt for its input, but this board works on the 8 volt, and this line is short, means its main supply line is short. This board main supply line is short. Okay, so let's remove the board first, and then after we will check. And if you are repairing a MacBook, also check for the physical rust. Means it's a common problem of MacBook that that is physically damaged. Okay, rust is a common problem. Cold, no? Because of yeah. See, working principle of all boats are same. Okay, nearby, all are same. Too much cold, man. Ah. No, leave it. After closing, nothing will happen.
So MacBook 3 volt 5 volt section is a concept.
It's also having a 3 volt 5 volt. कंसेप्ट वही है, कुछ नहीं. इसका सिमेटिक है ना, सिमेटिक बोर्ड व्यू दोनों इजीली अवेलेबल होता है मैकबुक का. नॉर्मली आप उससे चेक कर सकते हो. एक बार सिमेटिक खोलो, देखो. कंसेप्ट सिंपल है, कुछ अनोखा नहीं है. उल्टा जान लो कि ना मैकबुक रिपेयर ना ज़्यादा आसान होता है.
So we can check in DC machine also, sir.
Yeah, DC machine we can also check, but we need a adapter, no?
Yes, sir.
MacBook adapter. My one is faulty. I will show you. It's having a problem. My one.
DC machine.
No, DC machine is not having a problem. Adapter. This connector I have jacked. I will show you. So someone have opened this laptop. छोटा चिप. This is the SMC. Yeah, IO is very costly. MacBook SMC. Because see, it's a programmable. Okay, but we can't program this. Only company they program. If this SMC fails, you have to now use this from the singular board. Okay, that's why it's costly. In Delhi, it's all about the monopoly. No, it fails, man. It fails. बताते one by one सब बताते. If LDO short, same concept with the Intel one, man. It's not a rocket science. Okay. Now the main problem is its main line is short, na?
Yes, sir.
So let's remove everything. Only this coil having sorting. Rest having no sorting. These are the LDO lines. Okay. This board, it's very easy to find everything. Is on the because of the board view and Symmetric both are available. So it's very easy to find all components. If both are available, then it's easy to find RTC and everything. So the main problem is of its main line is short. Okay, if we can check physically. This one look like faulty. We'll use the microscope or directly we will inject the supply and check. We can use the microscope, no? Okay, let's use the microscope. It will be more easy. MacBook repair person, they are using always the microscope, no?
Yes, sir.
Because of the components, it's very small in size. No, that's why they are using. Okay, maybe not this one is faulty or maybe not. I don't know. See, we have two options. Either check its physical replacement or
So
just give the supply here directly.
before saying on IC also rusted or something.
Ah, yeah. This one IC is rusted. This one IC. This IC is rusted, and if you will check it physically, this one look like little bit damaged. This one. Okay, let's remove this one first. Just take for the confirmation. Okay, if after removing same condition, then we will use the DC supply. Okay, no issue. Okay, so yeah, these are the 19 volt line capacitors in this board. These are the 90 volt line capacitors. So it's short, no? It's means not 19 volt line. It's a main line. Okay, 19 volt is habit now or habit of speaking.